In most manufacturing teams, the work and the proof live in different places. Tool room records sit in one file. Quality checks sit somewhere else. And when an audit, customer visit, or quality issue comes up, the team has to rebuild the story from screenshots, folders, spreadsheets, and memory. VoraSuite is built to fix that. It is manufacturing control and evidence software for tooling, quality, and audit proof. The idea is simple. Operational control first. Audit evidence as a natural byproduct. Inside VoraSuite, the daily work happens in connected product areas. VoraCore is the governed foundation. It controls organization and site context, shared master data, users, access, and the records every product depends on. So the tool, the part, the inspection, the user, and the site are not floating around as disconnected information. VoraTool is for tooling and asset execution. It helps manage assets, tooling history, job cards, preventive maintenance, repairs, and critical spares. When a tool is serviced, repaired, moved, used, or linked to a part, that record stays connected to the asset and the production context. VoraControl handles the quality side. Released control plans drive inspection capture. Measurements are recorded against the right part, operation, characteristic, and revision. SPC trends help show where the process is moving, and out-of-spec results can move into resolve, so quality issues are handled in context instead of getting buried. Then, Vora Audit takes those source records and turns them into proof. Not a folder dump, not a generic audit log, not a last-minute screenshot exercise. Vora Audit is built around real auditor questions, like, show me the maintenance history for this tool. Show me inspections captured against this control plan. Show me what happened after this out-of-spec result. The user can open the evidence, keep the source context, file the proof, and add it to an evidence pack with actor, time, and manifest-backed traceability. That is the core VoraSuite value. Run the work once, keep the proof forever. For manufacturers, this means fewer disconnected spreadsheets, cleaner daily control, and a stronger evidence trail when customers, managers, or auditors ask what happened. VoraSuite is not trying to be generic business software. It is built for manufacturing teams that need tooling control, quality control, and audit supporting evidence from the work they already do every day. That is VoraSuite, daily manufacturing control, connected audit evidence.